quick video of what we've been up to recently. So we've done the intruder alarm for here. Done the gate system. So intercom side with the side gate. Maglock, 550 kilograms, rated external. These are stainless steel gates, all custom made. So the maglock on the main gate, which is this one, it's more just designed so when it's windy or things like that, it just keeps it sturdy to the post rather than rattling and potentially over time wearing out the motor. So that's now going to close on the 30 seconds. Got the safety barriers in place here, so if you cross them, that gate will back open to stop anyone potentially getting crushed. Or if a car was still leaving, it'd obviously reopen back up. Same on the outside. So vehicles leaving the premises still, and then the halfway gap, just cross the line. That would then reopen it, give it another 30 seconds. We've also got 2 4-megapixel CCTV cameras up there. They have built-in LED lights, so when required they will come on the lights and basically guarantee a colour image 24/7. We have our side gate and main gate release, so press that one. That disengages the maglock so someone can open it. The unit on here has a specific code for the user. This is the test code.
The door is open.
They can now gain access. So they've got deliveries coming, they can do it remotely through the app, or they can just do it from a code. Also has a camera built in as well, so they can view it directly from their phones, or the screen inside. If someone presses it, it will call their indoor unit as well as their mobile phones. And with their phones, they'll be able to release either the side gate they want to, or the main gate. So that will open remotely wherever they are, even across the other side of the world, as long as they've got an internet connection. This CCTV camera as well also records with them cameras directly back to the CCTV recorder in their office. So you've got 24-hour recording on all these cameras, including this one. They're soon going to have a doorbell when they get a new door put on, which will also link in the exact same thing, 24-hour recording, controlled by underground motor. On this I can use a remote control, push button, or the screen indoors, or the app to release the gate as well, and the side gate. We're just sorting out and cleaning up some of the gate entry control here. This is broken in as well. All neatly housed away. We've done all the conduit as well, so it looks neat and tidy. But it just makes such a difference rather than having a bare wire running anywhere. So any bare wires here aren't ours. Ours are all in the conduit, same as each sensor. It's all been sealed up. Shielding on that, just to protect it. These are the sensors